Can you make $250 an hour at craps? Watch this video. I'm going to teach you for free. Okay, here's what's doing, guys. I'm going to try and not be hypey or hyperbole about this thing, but here's the reality of what's going on. Those of you that follow me know I've been coming to Vegas twice a month for about the past 7 years. I've been playing. I've been gambling. I study the crap in the books. I've got a huge library on, gambling theory and the math of gambling and, all this random chaos stuff. It can make you mental. But I also have moved to Vegas. For the past year I've been living here. You can see this is my Vegas condo. I got a penthouse here in Vegas. There's Vegas behind me right through the window. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, for the past year I've been living here, and I live steps, literally a few steps away from one of the best casinos on the Strip. Every night I go in there and I play. And I test. And I take notes. And this is a science to me. So, can you make money at craps? Here's what's been doing. I've been playing a system. I hate to use the word system. I like the word method. System implies that it always works. Nothing always works. You're going to have ups and downs. You're going to have wins. You're going to have losses. As long as you win more than you lose in the long term, beautiful. So here's what's been doing. I had an epiphany with the system I've been using for the past 7 years, and I made a little tweak to it. And I applied it to the game of craps. Why craps? Well, because craps has a bet on the table that gives the casino zero advantage over you. It's the only bet in any casino where there's no house edge. Can that be exploited? Well, I started thinking about it. Here's the thing. I want to cut this video short and get to the meat and potatoes of this. I've been making about $250 an hour going in and playing craps. Now, I hate playing craps. I just can't stand it. I can't stand standing at a table. You stand there even for an hour, even if I'm making $250 an hour. And that's with small bets. That's the other thing I forgot to tell you. Small bets and a small buy-in. My buy-in is $300. I walk away with $550 in an hour. Sometimes less, sometimes a little more. But I can't stand it. Now, yes, if you bet more, you win more. But, again, I'm in the testing phase, and that's where you come in. I'm not ready to say this is foolproof, this works. It's been working for me, yeah. But that doesn't meet my standard of proof. I have a high standard of proof. So I want beta testers to come to Vegas. I will sit down with you and I will teach you my exclusive method for free. Here's the catch. There's 3 catches here. You have to get your ass to Vegas. Well, now there's 4 catches. First, you have to get your ass to Vegas, right? And that's on you. I'm not paying your transportation. I'm not paying your hotel. I will buy you guys dinner. I'll, treat you guys to a lot of different things, maybe some shows. Who knows what we'll do when you get here. But you have to get here. Now, first thing you're going to have to do to qualify is you're going to have to get on my list so that when I pick people, I have a list to pick from. So you have to go to here'sthestupidlink.com and get on the list. The other thing you're going to have to do, and this is a requirement, is share this video. Because I want a large pool of people. I want a large pool of people to pick from, and I want a large pool of beta testers. So every month for the next few months, I'm going to pick maybe 8 or 10 people that are willing to come down, sit with me for a day or two, learn this thing, and test it. And see how it does for them. Now the other things, the other stipulations are, you're going to have to sign a non-disclosure agreement, meaning you're going to have to sign a contract saying you will not say one word about this to anyone else, or I'll cut your huevos off. For real. I got the scissors right over there. I'm bringing them to the training. So that's stipulation number 1. You're going to be under contract that says you're not going to be able to talk about this with anyone. Stipulation number 2 is, again, you're going to have to share this video, and the number of shares increases your chances of being selected to be in this beta testing group. Again, there'll be several groups, one a month. It'll cost you nothing. And then the other condition is, you know, I want your real results. And you may have to say it on camera, because if this works, that's a big if. If this holds up under the long term and it works for 99% of the people that do it, then I may make a video course about this and put it on the internet, so I don't have to make people come to see me to learn it. It's not that complicated, but it will take you some time to learn it. But here's the condition. I want your 100% honest feedback on this. You're going to take notes. You're going to give me your real results. I don't want you pumping sunshine up my skirt. I don't want you feeling like you owe me anything just because I bought you dinner or because I gave you my, you know, $2,000 system for free. I want you to tell me if you think it sucks. I want you to tell me you think it sucks. And I'll put those videos up too. Because I don't want anybody doing anything that's going to hurt them in any way. That's the other condition. I don't want people coming out here and doing this if they can't afford to do it. So, you know, if you can get to Vegas on the cheap, and if you have a place to stay or whatever, your lodging is on you. Yes, I'll probably end up buying you the nicest meal. We'll get together as a group. It'll be like 8 or 10 people every month. We'll get together as a group. I'll give you the training. We're going to be in a really nice conference room. During the training, there'll be refreshments and sandwiches and whatever. I don't know. I'll cater it. Who knows? I'll have some shiksa with big cans serving you guys drinks and stuff. It'll be fun as you learn. And then later that night, I'll buy everybody in the group the nicest dinner in the casino. But I don't want you to feel obligated to me in any way. I just want you guys, I want this to be worth your time. Win, lose, or draw. So, okay, again, this is thestupidlink.com. Get on the list. And yes, you're going to be on my list, which means I'll probably send you some spam emails. I'll send you offers on other things. You don't have to look at them. You don't have to do them. You don't have to do nothing. But, you know, that's one of the prices you pay. You're getting on this list. I'm going to send you things. I'm going to send you offers of other things that may or may not interest you. Doesn't mean you have to follow through on them. You can unsubscribe from the list at any time. I never share your information. Okay, everybody got that? I don't want anybody snivel bitching about anything here. I'm trying to be 100% transparent. I'm trying to work for you, make you guys money. Okay, those are the conditions. Read the description down in the video below. Do it, don't do it, I don't care. Okay, go away, you bother me.